The pineapple diet, also known as the sexy pineapple diet, was created by a Danish psychologist named Sten Hegeler. Hegeler and his wife, Inge, published the book The Sexy Pineapple Diet in 1970. The diet promised to help people slim down and improve other aspects of health, like sexual vitality. The diet consists of eating nothing but pineapple for 2 days out of the week, then eating normally for 5 days. One version involves eating just pineapple for 3 days, while another involves consuming pineapple along with 500 calories of other food. Pineapples are a very healthy fruit that contain a variety of essential nutrients. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, a whole pineapple is around 905 grams. A whole pineapple's calories total 453 and are made up of 1.1 grams of fat, 4.9 grams of protein and 118.7 grams of carbohydrates. The majority of these carbohydrates are sugars. There are only 12.7 grams of fiber. So, the question is, will it help you lose weight? Eating nothing but pineapple for 2 to 7 days is absolutely unnecessary for weight loss. Of course, limiting your calorie intake using any method, including unhealthy ones, will promote weight loss. Any diet that significantly cuts calories and creates an extreme calorie deficit will induce weight loss. However, this doesn't mean that losing weight using such restrictive methods is safe or effective for long-term weight maintenance. Also, if you follow a diet plan that significantly cuts calories, you will almost certainly gain back any weight you lose as soon as you return to your normal dietary pattern. Lastly, there's no evidence that the sexy pineapple diet, or any other pineapple-based fad diet, for that matter, is safe or effective for weight loss. Hegeler, the diet's creator, even admitted that the diet is not based on any sound medical advice. He designed the plan simply because he enjoyed eating pineapple. So that the bottom line is, like other fad diets, pineapple-based weight loss plans, including the sexy pineapple diet, are not healthy ways to lose weight. They involve significantly restricting calories and eating only pineapple for 2 to 7 days. Not only are these methods unnecessary for weight loss, but they can result in unpleasant and even dangerous side effects. When you're trying to lose weight, it's best to avoid pineapple-based weight loss diets and other restrictive fad diets and instead focus on making healthy dietary and lifestyle modifications that can help promote weight loss in a safe way. For more scientific updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.